Today we are going to prepare country chicken. We call it the game kukula. So for this country chicken curry, we will require all these ingredients. So mainly the chicken, unroasted curry powder, red chili powder, black pepper, salt. Here we have dill, cumin, goraka, cloves, cardamoms and cinnamon. And then we also need curry leaves, green chilies, onions, ginger, pendant leaf which we call it rampe, garlic and tomato. So we begin with by cutting the chicken. Generally the country chicken is a bit hard because there are no special feeds given to the country chicken, so the bones are quite hard. So we take this to our fire. We are going to use a little bit of vegetable oil. So first I will put a little bit of dill seeds and then just a little bit of cumin, sweet cumin, the goraka and a few cloves, cardamoms and cinnamon. Now we are going to add all this at once. Let it cook for a while until the tomatoes are a little bit squashed. Now we can add our spices. So we stir this and let this cook also for a few minutes. Now we can add the chicken. We add water, extra water, because the country chicken is very hard as I mentioned earlier, so you need to cook this for a longer time than usual.